Hey you guys, this is how to fix a lawnmower tire that keep going down. As you can see right here, that says 18 by 8.5 by 8. And what we did here, we went and bought an inner tube. As you all can see, I'm gonna back up a little bit. And we bought an inner tube, and we're gonna put this inner tube on the inside of this. What you want to do is, it took a little bit of fighting to get this tire off the rim. I had to use a crowbar. Well, I had to use 2 crowbars, and then I had to put like some oil around it, then break the bead. You'll probably have to look that up on how to break the bead of a tire, but you want to put oil, and I used 2 C-clamps also. So I used the C-clamps to compress the tire back, and then well, the old tires over there got all kind of oil on it. But see here, right here, you want to get you a screw tool to take out your stem. It's a stem that goes down in here, and that will help you out a lot because the air can just flow out freely. So you don't want to keep on pressing that thing and not compress the tire. So you want to take that stem out of there. And then you want to go with your inner tube, and you want to take this thing off because the inner tube is going to come with one. So this is the inner tube right here, and it's already attached. So you're going to have to take you maybe some cutters like this, and like some pliers or something, and get this thing out of here. And so you're gonna go with the inner tube, and you want to go match the same size, like I was saying, of your tire. So it's 18 by 8.5 by then 9.50 or 8. And so that's pretty much the same thing what we have going on here. And guys, once you put that inner tube in there, you shouldn't have any more problems. And one piece of advice: walk the yard first before you start cutting it on your lawnmower, and don't run over any nails. Hey you guys, I also had to use the C-clamps and the soap spray. Hey you guys, a piece of advice: when you're taking off the tire, you see how this side is big and this side is small. You want to take the tire and go take it off that way. So you want to go take it off on this side right here. That'll be a lot easier. That's what I found out. So you guys, as you can see, I put the tire halfway on. I still have this part. It can lift up like that. Now I'm about to tuck the inner tube down in there, and I'll get back with you. Hey you guys, these are the tools that we used. We used the pliers, the crowbar thing, and this short crowbar, and our pump. What I did was, when I had this tire off the bead, I clamped it in right there. As I clamped that right there, I worked my way around with these 2 things. So you want to clamp with your pliers right here and leave them right here on the inside of the rim and work your way around.